This is a 2019 Crownline 225 SS. Comes with matching trailer, spare tire. Does have a swing tongue. Extremely clean. Very low hours, only used a couple times. With a 250 horsepower Mercruiser Bravo 3. Nice sun pad with a seat. Large swim platform. Does have a nice walkthrough. Seaweed flooring, snap out. You can remove it in winters. Have the table up in the bow. Plenty of cup holders and speakers. Does have convenient anchor storage. Ski locker. Both the captain's chair and passenger have bolster seats. Passenger seat does flip for a spotter seat. Four speakers in the cockpit. Does have a glove box. Kicker stereo system. Bow rider is rated for 10 people. Courtesy lighting throughout. Table can also be placed in the cockpit. Storage under all your seating. Cooler underneath the rear seat, as well as next to the sun pad. This 2019 does come with bimini and covered. Super clean boat, ready for the water.